Hi, welcome back to Sons of the Forest. Episode 2.
Hello, everybody.
I'll make like on this episode, yeah. And guys, anyone's
What?
curious, I'm eating ham steak, mashed potatoes, and corn, and Soul Demon's eating gum. And
Thank you.
yeah, that's the intro.
That was a weak intro.
I should have put maybe some salt, maybe some pepper on my mashed potatoes.
Probably.
Yep. The ham is good though.
Do you hear that?
I hear you like playing the drums on your desk. Oh,
So you hear that?
yeah.
Okay.
We playing air
Oh,
hockey?
alright, staying cool.
Okay. I'm in, yo.
I swear to God, if my house is not there,
I'm in, Mr. White.
I'm loading in.
Yo, Mr. White. Jesse, what elements am I holding in my hand? Water.
Okay, thank God. It's still there.
You're in a fire pit. Ah!
But all the foliage is back.
Would you rather have your house as a foil or not have foliage?
I don't have my house. This foliage can go away pretty quickly.
And right now I'm cooking some meat.
How the hell are you picking meat?
Cooking.
Oh, cooking.
Breaking the law by phoning
That's against the law.
money. I mean, I think I don't know, but I heard some people said it is. I don't know if it's true though, but I heard some people said it.
Yeah, I don't think it is.
I think it is because of some reason. I'm 1v1ing a spider right now.
You're 1v1ing a lag right now, man.
I'm not lagging. Are you lagging?
It said host is not responding for a second.
No, I didn't lag.
Snap.
I think because I'm still uploading the last video.
Oh yeah, that's probably why I heard that.
It's probably just the last
Shoot,
video.
I have an MRE. Okay, I'm gonna shoot that.
Can I make my house right here? Nah, I'll put it.
Oh, come.
I'll put it like here. I'll put it here. No. Put it like
Yeah, I like how my house is looking so far.
building my little cranny. When it gets started. Oh my food's gonna burn.
Yeah, you might want to take it off the fire before it burns.
I already took one off an AP of it. It was a burn though.
Ah, so you lost a lot of water?
Yeah, I lost like not like a lot. Okay. It's time.
To duel!
A spider.
Okay.
I know, I'm gonna stop building my house. That's what it's time.
Are you gonna start building your house now?
Yeah, it's not gonna be like a massive house.
Like how mine is gonna be?
Hey, I don't know why you want such a big house, man.
Well, mine's not gonna be massive. This is gonna be a little big, like medium size.
I got those stupid
All right, you know, yeah, you got
muddy.
what?
I got the muddy cannibals after me.
Hmm.
The other ones that are kind of here.
Yeah, I know.
Kind of frustrating because they're like everywhere, and it's not the faster than normal ones.
Yeah.
Just they fall. No, I probably shouldn't have made this big nice fire so close.
Oh, there's a butterfly on my axe.
That's nice.
Yeah.
I can't break the fire.
Why can't you?
I don't know. I'm smacking it, but it just destroyed it.
Oh, I ran into the fire. That hurts.
Yeah, I think it would help. Okay, tough code.
Yeah, it's a.
I'll make
Good
it.
one.
I'll make it 4
Oh,
logs.
did you get a night 5?
What?
I see a night 5 on the map.
A night?
The night 5?
Oh, the one wheel.
Yeah.
Go forever if you want.
I don't really need it that badly, so.
I suggest you use
Yeah. I don't really know how to operate it very well though, so.
it. Me either.
Did I say very twice?
I don't know.
Okay.
I don't know.
All I said was okay.
You said it in like a weird word, like a weird way. So I thought you were like mad.
No.
Come on, I have to go over here. Wing.
Ow, that hurt. Perfect. The booze. Oh, whoops! I didn't mean to press B. Oh, lagged.
Why?
Not sure. I hear stereo though. Playing some rock. It sounds like Metallica almost.
Oh, you're talking about the beach, aren't you? Trying to
No.
cop that gun.
No, I'm actually not.
Okay.
This stereo is like all around the map.
Oh, I know that. Who are you? That base?
Modern axe.
Oh.
Yeah, man. And apparently the stereo is now playing an ad for Crunchy Munchies.
Oh, I love the ad for Crunchy Munchies.
They always do that weird, like, super fast talking at the end, too.
This game, I think the whole reason the game took so long to come out, they didn't know how to portray how good Crunchy Munchies are, just through a singular ad.
There we go. Now I got the modern axe. So now cutting down the trees will be much easier.
How good do you think Crunchy Munchies are?
I'm gonna say pretty good.
I mean, like, I would. Hold on, one of my homies just texted me. Oh, it's my mom. Where's my mom? Let's see.
So I'm thinking, once I finish my house, and once you finish your house, I'm thinking we go and get the rope gun.
Oh yeah, I said a bad word and my mom texted me. Remember, I said one bad word on accident.
Where?
Last
When?
video, the Virginia one.
Uh,
Yeah.
wait, she washes them?
Yeah.
Oh. I don't get in trouble for swearing, right?
I don't know.
Oh no.
I mean, I didn't even know she. I know she watched like a couple. I didn't know she still watches them. I thought she just kind of found out.
She watched the Virginia Holocaust.
Yep.
Oh god.
At least.
So what, she's disappointed in you for swearing?
She just said you need to watch your Language than videos because your mom watches them, and to YouTube you have to fit or something. I don't know. I didn't read it properly because I'm trying to build my house.
Dyslexia?
That too, but I'm trying to build my house. And I'm trying to like look at it while building.
Right.
Okay, but okay, but yeah, so that's funny.
There.
Okay, there's a lot of trees here, but not a. But there's like they don't. They're like not like big trees, so they don't give up a lot of logs.
Oh yeah, there's a ton of big trees here.
They give up like 4 logs, but not like a lot.
No, this is going up like 6 or 7.
6 and sometimes they clip through the ground. I keep seeing like logs fall through the ground.
Well, that's
And
unlucky, man.
I can hear them splashing in the water on the ground.
That's weird.
Yeah. You know, axes can be used to cut down trees and dismember enemies.
Hmm?
Yeah, I keep saying that for some reason. I mean,
Yeah, I don't know. It keeps telling me that too.
it won't stop saying it. I know.
I know, I won't stop saying it either. Actually, this tree gave me 9 logs.
Oh, this is a pretty big tree.
Yeah, it's a pretty big tree. Let's see, what tree do I cut down next? This one right here.
That gave me like 7.
There you go.
So I had to stretch my back. Hello, my fellow humans.
Why are you saying it like it's now like an intro to a new video?
I don't know. We paused for a very long time.
Yeah. Just a little bit.
Old McDonald. Okay, so Virginia gave me a visit,
Okay. Okay.
and that's all that really interesting happened.
Oh.
Me and Calvin have been chilling.
Wow. Alright. Back here. To my house.
Maybe when we don't see Virginia, maybe it's because she's here.
Yeah, I don't think so.
Yeah, me either. It's just
Then why'd you
odd.
bring it up?
Okay, it's odd that she's all the way over here and not over there on the main island.
Yeah. Wow, it's weird now.
What is?
All been cleared out.
Uh, Calvin finally came back to me. He ran away when we got attacked by like 50 cannibals at one time.
And you're still living there after like that many cannibals came
Yeah.
after?
We cleared them out surprisingly, but I died when I opened my inventory. But he was a
Yeah.
very mean cannibal.
Well, that's most cannibals, man.
They should have done
They're
more.
mostly all mean.
This island, because it's a really nice island. I mean,
They should have what?
they should have done something with this island, because I mean, it's a really nice island.
What do you mean?
I mean, I'm saying that more people should come here because it's a really nice island.
Yeah, but like there's nothing here. There's like nothing really established, really.
Yeah, there's nothing over here. Maybe it's nice. It's a nice little lake. Usually spawn here, so if I die, I just respawn. I respawn like right next door. Like, I don't even have to make a jump to get back. It's like right there. So like it's like down the path. Give me him.
What?
I was like Calvin had logs and I asked him to give them to me.
Okay.
Zuba,
This is gonna be a bit.
what you doing?
The house.
Uh-oh, cannibals. Blackberry? There's blackberries here too?
It seems like you got the good stuff over there.
Yeah.
Ow, a log fell on me.
Cannibal!
Why are you yelling to me like I'm over there?
Calvin.
Are you yelling to Calvin? Oh, it's raining. Don't look at Virginia, man.
Oh yeah,
Yeah, no. Just a bad idea waiting to happen.
thanks, Calvin. My boy, Calvin.
Yeah.
I like it when it rains better.
Yeah, I think so. Oh, that's really confusing and weird. There's no clouds in the sky, and I just saw lightning.
Oh yeah, this lightning is something cloudy. It's not even like
No storm clouds.
yeah.
Oh, God, it's gonna take forever.
Alright. There we go.
Ooh, Kellen? So you're gonna make the Kevin number there?
I think my guest audio is a little too loud. It's definitely not Oh, what, Virginia?
What do you mean?
It's Virginia. Don't look at Virginia.
Oh, yeah, right, yeah. Yeah, don't.
you and Calvin are just chilling.
Yeah. Just chilling, bro.
There's a log, Calvin. Hey! Get away from that dead body! Disrespectful, man.
I've cut down a lot of trees over here.
Hold on, I need one more log.
Still logs everywhere.
Okay. That's the goal.
Nice. I'm almost done with the frame. Then I have to put the walls in. And then the roof.
Want me to do it?
You're making it 5 stories?
No, I didn't. I got logged.
Okay.
I don't know what else to call it. I'm from the car. I got logged.
Yeah.
If I knew how to edit, I would put like maybe
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna end it up on
Alright.
another ring stopping.
It does seem like the rain is stopping.
Thank you, Calvin.
Alright, I'm almost finished.
Okay.
Any more logs?
Oh, feather.
What do you want with feathers?
I'm trying to make arrows. I found the best way to kill animals.
How's that?
You throw logs at them.
Really? That's the way to figure it
No,
out?
it's a one hit and they're really big, okay? So if you hit like a squirrel, it's just gonna die. Ow, okay. I need to eat. What's on the menu? I got one piece of meat. I should go make a fire.
Yeah.
Maybe make some
Cut
food.
down so many trees over here.
That's fun.
It really is fun.
Nope, wrong button. I'm making some arrows right now, and then I'm gonna cook my food. It's full, and then I need some. Okay. Oh, come on. Wait, what? Oh. Boom. It
All
was.
right, it's wall time now.
Let me grab some sticks.
I'm putting the walls down now.
Fire. Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
Right here. Boom.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, that's nice. Let me see this. It's not time to build again. Yep. Thanks. Oh, I'm a minute over. Okay. Well, that's the end of the video.
All right.
Yeah. I don't even think I can upload the other video yet, cause I need to do something. No, I can. Okay, yes, excellent. Let me do that. Okay, yeah. Okay, well, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed, like. If you didn't enjoy, dislike. If you want to tell me something, leave a comment. And that's it.